In this video, I will show you how to resolve those frustrating login errors and signing in issues on the Triller app. If you are stuck at the entry screen or getting hit with constant error messages, the first thing you should check is your internet connection because a weak signal often prevents the app from talking to the servers. If your connection is solid, the next logical step is to clear the app cache on your device. Over time, temporary data can become corrupted and mess with the authentication process. Navigate to your phone settings, find the Triller app, and select the option to clear cache and data. If you are an iPhone user, you might need to offload the app and reinstall it to achieve the same result. It is also incredibly important to make sure you are running the latest version of the app from the App Store or Google Play Store because developers frequently release patches specifically designed to fix login bugs. Sometimes the issue is not even on your end, and the Triller servers might be undergoing maintenance. You can check their social media pages to see if other users are reporting similar problems. If everything else fails, try changing your password or double-checking that your social media linking is still active.